Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn code reuse and modularity in Python with PyGame Module. So let us begin. So for this, we need two things. First is a VS Code editor or any IDE, and the second one is the PyGame module. So for it, simply type pip install pygame in your command prompt. Now let us see our code. So over here, first of all, we have to create one file named as module.py. And this I have defined a definition to display text. Inside this, I have imported the PyGame module. After it, I have initialized it, and I have initialized three values of these colors. First is the white color, second one is the yellow, and the third one is the brown color. Now over here, I have assigned the value to this variable. This is the width and this is the height. Now after it, I'm setting the dimensions of the background surface. I'm setting the name of the window using the set caption function, and the type and size of the font using this font function. Now the text surface object, to draw text on it, I'm using this render function. Now to create a rectangular object for the text surface object, I'm using this get underscore rectangle function. After it, to set the center of this rectangular object, I'm using this. Now to fill the background surface with yellow color, I'm using this fill function. Now to copy display the surface object at the center, I'm using this split function. Now to iterate over the list that were returned by this method, we are using this for loop. Now if the event object type is quit, then we will quit the PyGame library as well and the program as well. At last, we will draw the surface object to the screen. Now this is our code. Now it will work in this way as well. Now if I want to reuse it, or say this one is the module. Now this is our program. So over here, I will write import module. Module is the name of this Python file, or say it is a module. Just like the PyGame is our module. Now this is the code as well, so I will be able to reuse it as well. So I have to write the name of this module dot, then over here you can see this is the name of the function. It is display text. So I have written over here display text. After it, over here you can see I have written t. This will be something that I can pass it to this. So over here I am passing this text over there. Now let us see how exactly it will look like. So here you can see display text is the Windows caption. After it, this is our yellow background. This is a demonstration of code reuse and modularity in Python with PyGame module. So in this way, you can see in our program we have reused this code and it is one of our module. So in this way, we can say one thing, that we can decrease the number of lines of code using the modules. Thank you.